small fringe minority of people who are on their way to Ottawa. Who are holding unacceptable views that they're expressing. Do not represent the views of Canadians who have been there for each other, who know that following the science is the best way to continue to ensure our freedoms, our rights, our values as a country.
I want to throw a shout out to the truckers in this Freedom Convoy 2022. My goodness, you guys have no idea how much what you're doing means to me and my family. You see, my husband, he got myocarditis after his first dose. And the doctors have refused an exemption for the second one. Which means he had to hang up his hat as a lieutenant at our local fire hall. He can't participate in certain parts of society. You know, that's not the worst part. The worst part is his heart is injured. And the vaccine injured people are being ignored. They're being called crazy. They're being called coincidences. And enough is enough. Enough is enough. So thank you from the bottom, the very, very bottom of our hearts. I appreciate every single one of you. And for the first time in a long time, I actually have hope.